Hello, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So let me quickly talk about. I'm about filming my videos as usual, and I forgot to let you know that we've launched the Smoky Bites finally. We've launched it, and I launched it today. I know I've been giving you some behind the scenes. I still have some videos that I have not uploaded, like the behind the scenes, the process that went into producing this package. But I promise you one thing, you're definitely going to see it. So I want to say we've launched, and I feel excited, I feel nervous, I feel anxious. But the thing is, when I have this belief that when you're having negative thoughts about something, let's say you want to launch something and your mind is like, don't do it, just go ahead and do it. I feel so happy now that this I'm holding this package in my hand. I feel so happy. So this is our product. Let me give you a backstory. I didn't plan to launch catfish first. Our stickers were what I did first was beef, snail, and goat meat. That was the plan. That was the first this thing I wanted to launch. Someone is sending me a message, and that's why I'm looking at this. Okay, I'll attend to it later. So, but when we're about printing the banner, the sticker, when we're about printing it, I decided that let us add catfish because I already have customers that are asking me for catfish, and this one was not included. So we added catfish. So I went to get the slaughter abattoir to buy meat for the smoky beef. And when I got there, the price was not pricing. Everything is expensive. So I started to just, and if I buy with that capital, like I like producing in bulk because the goal of the brand is to provide affordable yet quality protein for individuals. Do you understand? Affordable but quality. When I say affordable, I'm not saying cheap, but it to be affordable for individuals. So, and my target audience are middle class slash the lower class. Those are the people I'm targeting. I'm not targeting high people. We already have lots of people doing this that are targeting the premium customers. I'm not targeting premium customers. So my goal is to for everybody to be able to afford protein on their table. That's my goal for the brand. So when we went to price the beef, and the price was not pricing. It's not that I could not buy, but if I should buy that quantity that my money could carry, I will not be able to, like, the pricing will go up. It's better you buy things in bulk than small, small. I don't know if you understand. So the money was enough for me to buy enough catfish, but it was not enough to buy beef. So I have to save to buy beef later. I'll be launching beef maybe later in this week. I'll be able to afford maybe half cow or quarter cow. That one is even preferable than all the slot that they are selling. Okay. So everything works out for our good. I went to a fish farmer. I don't know if you will see the video before this one. I went to a fish farmer house and we negotiated, we talked. It does not have buyers, so I decided to be an off taker. But the problem that happened was his fish, the catfish, the sizes he has is big size. Okay, big size, and big size 1 kilo is like 4 5 yeah, from farm, from the man. If I'm buying 1 kilo 4 5, by the time I do production and everything, the price might be going for maybe like 7,000 or 8,000, and to me, not everybody could afford that just for one fish. So I had to buy it because it does not have other sizes. Then I had to look for another supplier. Please, I just want you to take notes. That's why I'm trying to share the behind the scenes of this product, so that when I'm teaching, you will know that is what I've experienced that I'm talking about. So because it does not have the size that I want, the size I'm looking at is medium size, not the biggest table size, right? I had to look for another alternative. I think that was 2 days ago. I checked the market, I checked my contacts, and most of them was table size. Once I found this person that had small size or medium size, okay. So immediately I saw the person that had medium size, I bought it and I started processing. I'm going to insert the clip so that you see it. I started processing it that yesterday. I kept it in the oven, it got dried, and I packaged. The only thing that is left for me now is to seal this mouth, and I'll be sealing it. But I just want to show you people since I'm filming video already. So this particular pack has, some comes with 5 pieces, is chunks. It's come in chunks. Some come 5 pieces, some come 4 pieces. This particular one I'm holding is 4 pieces, while this particular one is 5 pieces. So depending on the size, and this pack is going for 4,500 naira. Is that not affordable? So anybody can afford this, and this can cook stew or soup for family of 3 or 4. If you eat 2 fish in your house, it can cook stew for family of 3 or 4. So this is 4,500. I also have bigger pack which I have not packaged because I want to roll this one out. I did not produce all the catfish I bought, so we are producing batch by batch. I don't want to produce and not sell off. So we finally launched. Please place your order. I'm going to leave the WhatsApp link in the description box, everywhere, in the comment section, everywhere. Support me so that I can come and teach you what I've learned so far. Okay, so this is our products. Smoky Bites. Catfish launched first. Okay, that's about the Smoky Bites. Another thing I want to talk about is aside selling to consumers, final consumers, I want to penetrate supermarkets. So I'll be having a meeting with 2 supermarkets today. Yes, I'll be having a meeting with them today for them to add to their freezer to sell. So I'll be meeting with them and I'm going to let you know the outcome. What else? Yes, the goal is to have the products in everybody's kitchen. So it starts from your own kitchen. It's already in my kitchen. It starts from your own kitchen. So place an order and I will deliver to you. Please don't buy one, don't buy two. Start buying from like 10. Also, for my people that are in the abroad that wants to buy, I have bigger pack, like I said. If you want it packed, I have bigger pack. Also, if you want smoked meat, you guys saw the smoking clean that I bought, is for us. So if you want smoked meat and you don't know where to get it, just send me. I'll help you to go to the market, and if it's cow you want to smoke, I'll help you to buy the cow. If it is goat you want to smoke, I'll help you to go and buy it and smoke it. That smoking oven must it must bring its money back. And it must work. It must work. For the comments that I got regarding it, it uses charcoal and oven. So my goal for this brand is to use charcoal or firewood. I don't plan using gas. I don't plan using gas. Charcoal, because obviously I deal with charcoal storage. I deal with firewood storage. So there'll be no need for me to use gas at all. So yes, send me message, please. If you want fish, for me to smoke fish, send me. All of you have my number. Julie, go and buy me one goat and smoke it. I'm at your service, ma. I'm at your service, sir. So that is it for the brand. This is the back. I don't know if you can see the back. Maybe I should take it back a bit, so I should bring it forward. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the back and this is the front. Please rate my packaging over 10. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the packaging over 10, from the nylon to the branding. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you all for riding with me so far, and thank you for this new journey that we just embarked on. I'm going to see you in the next video.